Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that there are angels sitting on your right and your left. And every word that you speak, the angel is ready to note it down. Every single action is being recorded. Every single word is being written down. This book of deeds will be presented to us on the day of judgment. And people, the way that they have lived this life, they will be treated accordingly. The book of deeds will be given in our hands, either in the right hand or the left hand. And some people who will be given their books in the right hand, Quran says they will, as soon as they will get it, they will say, oh, muqra'u kitabiya. Read my book. Inni zanantu anni mulaqin hisabiya. I knew that I'm going to meet with my Rabb and He will take account of me. I knew that. I lived my life keeping that in my mind, that Allah, I'm going to go back to Allah and He is going to take account of my actions and my words. Words are also actions. It's the movement of the tongue. Allah Ta'ala says He will be in a blissful state after that. He will enjoy. He will be happy. And the other people, at one place, Quran says, فَتَرَى الْمُجْرِمِينَ مُشْفِقِينَ مِمَّا فِيهِ. These people who have sinned, they will be scared looking at their book. وَيَقُولُونَ مَا لِهَذَا الْكِتَابِ. They will say, what sort of book is this? لَا يُغَادِرُ صَغِيرَةً وَلَا كَبِيرَةً إِلَّا أَحْصَاهَا. There is nothing small or big except that this book has it. وَوَجَدُوا مَا عَمِلُوا حَاضِرًا. Whatever they have done in this life, they will find that in the book. وَلَا يَظْلِمُ رَبُّكَ أَحَدًا. Your Rabb will not oppress anybody. This is you. This is you. Despite of constant reminders, you did not fix yourself. This is you. And they will say, Ya laytani lam uta kitabiya. At another place, I wish I was not given this book. Walam adri ma hisabiya. I never thought about this accountability that I will go through on the day of judgment. They will say, I wish that death that I incurred first, I wish that was my last death. I was not raised up again. I wish. Again, Ya laytani. This is Quran. This will happen, and it will start with the moment that we will go back to Allah, which is a day that is coming very, very soon to all of us. So let's do tawbah, inshallah.